Good day everyone, we are the group 6 and we are going to talk about academic writing. Academic writing is formal, clear, and objective. It serves to inform, analyze, or persuade depending on the purpose. There are different types including analytical and critical writing. Each follows key characteristics like being evidence-based and well-organized. An academic paper like a position paper or essay start with an introduction to set the tone. The body discusses key arguments supported by evidence and the conclusion ties everything together.
Citing resources properly is crucial for credibility and avoiding plagiarism. Evaluate source for reliability such as peer-reviewed articles or book to ensure your arguments are well supported.
APA format is essential for citations. When quoting, use exact words with pages number. Paraphrasing involve rephrasing ideas, while summarizing condenses main points into a brief overview.
Key points to remember include being clear, concise, and objective. Consistency in your argument and structure ensure readability and effectiveness.
Critical reading involves analyzing the arguments and evaluating evidence, and critical writing focus on presenting and justifying your perspective based on your analysis. Literature review assess existing research while sanitizing combines different perspectives to build on current agreement. So, organized by them for clarification.
In summary, academic writing thrives on clarity, critical analysis, and proper presentation. Let's embrace these techniques for better academic outcomes.
Good day and thank you.